So welcome to the making of the glycerite after Lisa's excellent tutorial and instructions. So everything here has been very thoroughly disinfected. Definitely still smells a little bit like isopropyl alcohol in here. So first things first, I put on my gloves, spray those down with some alcohol too. So go through what we've got in our workspace. A bowl of fresh cranberries. They're defrosted ones. They were frozen, I defrosted them. Got a nice clean mason jar with a sterilized lid and then a sheet of clean cling film to put between the jar and the lid to just be extra super clean. We've got our isopropyl alcohol here. We've got vegetable glycerin, scale. I've got this little beater because I thought it would be useful for mashing the cranberries up once they're in the jar. And then I've got a leftover container here that I'm going to be popping the sort of reject cranberries into because they'll make a nice cranberry sauce or something. We're gonna fire up the scale here. And I do have the formulation just off to the side here where I can refer to it, but it's not going to be in the way or interfere with our beautifully sanitized workspace. So we need 44 grams of pristine cranberries. That one looks pretty good. And that weighed 1.23 grams. So we'll be doing quite a few of these. That one looks good. That generally looks good. That one feels maybe a little bit soft. I don't 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure I know what I'm looking for, but I'll throw that one in the reject bin. A little leaf there. That one looks nice. That looks good. Definitely getting some pink juices on my fingers already. We're at 6.26 grams. That one looks nice. This one looks kind of sad. I think that one looks okay. Almost at 10 grams. $45 grams. A small one to pull out. 43.91. I think that's probably close enough. So now tear the scale out of vegetable glycerin. This glycerin is from Humblebee and it was a gift. And we need 156 grams of glycerin. Those are our ingredients. I can already see little pink wispy bits coming out of the cranberries. We'll give these a bit of a smashing. Ah, that's fine. I can hear the work. Get these squished to little cranberries. Haha. I don't think this was the greatest choice of smooshing tool. These cranberries are really very well lubricated with all this glycerin. Or perhaps I should have squished them before I added the glycerin. That's probably the... Well, I've heard quite a few pops, so hopefully that is crushed enough. You can definitely see that the color has started to really get all cranberry-y and gorgeous, so onto capping. Put a piece of clean cling film down, and then our sanitized lid, and our sanitized lid screw part. Screw that on, and now we wait about 5 days. I'm just gonna put this on a shelf in my studio, which is generally a pretty dark place unless I've got the lights on. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So I will see you in a few days for straining instructions with these, and then we will strain this and yeah, make it into stuff. Bye!